What's up, guys? It's Ryan here, and today, guess what? I'm getting back into it, guys. I'm getting back into 3D printing, and I know you guys are thinking, wait, what? Didn't you just make a video why you don't do it anymore? Well, I kind of realized something. I have a lot of time off right now. I seriously do. I mean, all I have to do these few weeks is just do homework and schoolwork, and that's about it. And so I kind of want to get into more 3D printing stuff, but I also want to get into general technology stuff. So that's reviewing things, reviewing electric scooters, doing electric scooter videos, and 3D printing videos, and technology videos. Um, I'm gonna try my best to post a video every single day. We'll see how that goes. And post one 3D printing video every single week. So I am bringing back 3D printing content to the channel, and I am going to sell more stuff. And I'm just gonna tell you guys right now, I got rid of a lot of my 3D printers. I know I used to have a crazy amount, like 23, I think I counted. Now I'm down to 2. Yeah, I know. You guys must be proud of me. I sold a lot of them. Unfortunately, I had to throw a couple of them away because they were just not working, which is super wasteful. I know I shouldn't have done that, but I stole as many parts as possible from them and I threw them away because I could not do anything with them. So, and they're just taking up a lot of space. So, yeah, I mean, that's pretty much my announcement. I'm going to be trying to make a video every single day, a nicely edited video every single day, because I have really nothing else to do, about 3D printing, about technology, about reviewing technology, and doing the things I love. Because I don't know if you guys know this, but in the future, I want to become a YouTuber, for my occupation. So, and if I want to achieve that dream, I have to be very committed to this. And I'm going to try to take those first steps today, tomorrow, and this entire week. Now, if I miss some uploads, I'm sorry about that. But I am going to challenge myself and say, hey, let's see if we can do this every single day. If I don't enjoy it, I'll tell you guys, all right? But for right now, I'm going to try my absolute best to post a video every single day and be consistent, and not just crap videos every single day too, like really good quality videos. But I think the most exciting news is that all my 3D printing followers, I know there's still a couple that follow me. You guys will get content, and people who subscribe to me because of my technology videos, you'll also still get content. And a lot of the people, and maybe my niche market, electric scooter people, will also get content because I'm really into electric scooters right now. I'm really into technology still. I'm getting back into 3D printing. So yeah, I mean, right now I have the Ultimaker 2 Go, which I got a new board for it, so hopefully I can get that up and running. And I also have the CR10 Mini, so I can also get that one up and running. I have tested it, I think like 2 months ago, and it worked, so hopefully it still works. But I'm also planning to maybe in the future buy a couple kits of 3D printers and put those together, and live stream them. Because I was looking back at my A build and I was just like, man, that was a lot of fun. And yeah, I might do that. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.